Hi and welcome to Split Test Monkey version 3. We now have dynamic rollover campaigns. Let's look at an example campaign to help you understand exactly what's happening. First of all, I'll go to my tests and then to the campaigns page, and I've got an example campaign already set up called nsm.com headline. So let's hit the edit button here and bring up the campaign so I can have a look inside. Basically, this campaign is built up of 3 A/B dynamic split tests. When this first split test hits its goal, it will roll straight into the second split test using the winner of the first split test as one of the test criteria. Let's head over to my split test page to try and help make that a bit clearer. And as a note, this works both with regular in-page split tests and split test URLs. So here I am under my tests and I've gone to the A/B dynamic tests. And I've already got 3 headline tests set up for nsm.com, headline 1, headline 2 and headline 3. So let's click on the edit button for headline 1 and take a look at what we've got. Now this is running a straight 50/50 A/B split test for free report, the affiliate marketing crash course versus instant download affiliate marketing crash course. And over time we'll end up with a winner based on the criteria that I've set up the top here for this particular split test. Once we have a winner, the winning criteria will be rolled forward into the next split test, headline split test number 2, as one of those criteria. Now let's come back out and look at what I've got set up as headline number 2 split test, and again all I'm going to do is click on the edit icon to bring that split test up, and if I scroll down you'll see that for this one we have a new element 1 and we've left element 2 blank because that's where the winning element from the previous headline split test number 1 is going to be popped in automatically for us. And again, if we come back out of split test number 2 and go to split test number 3 and edit that, again you'll see it's a straight 50/50 A/B split test. We've got 1 criteria already in and we've got nothing in as a second element because that again will be picked up as the winner from the previous split test. Now for the purpose of this demo, rather than waiting for it to be triggered, I'm going to go back and I'm going to edit that headline split test number 1. And what I'm going to do is under the winner, I'm actually going to pick element number 1 as the winner. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on save and exit. And you'll see that next to that headline number 1 split test, it's now showing that element number 1 has reached its goal and won that particular split test. So if we now go back to the campaign and refresh this campaign, you'll see that it's updated to say winner found, test completed, and it's moved on to the second split test in this campaign. And if we come back to the split tests and actually edit the split test for headline number 2, we open this up and scroll down, you'll now notice there is a second element in there which is the winner from that first split test, and that's been rolled over and put in there automatically, dynamically by the campaign. And the same thing again will happen for this split test number 2. Once the goal has been met and one of these 2 options is the winner, it will be rolled forward to the split test number 3 and the campaign will be updated to show that you're now onto the 3rd split test within this campaign. And that's all there is to it. The dynamic rollover keeps your split tests running through your campaign without you having to lift a finger, by simply taking the winner of the previous split test and adding it to the next test in the campaign flow. So that's brand new in the latest version of Split Test Monkey. Thank you very much for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions.